Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the unified deployment of Nexus Dashboard 3.1.1k along with Nexus Dashboard Fabric Controller for SAN. We will deploy the Nexus Dashboard OVA on a ESXi 8.0 server. Before we begin, we should have the following prerequisites in place: VMware vCenter Server 6.7 or above, VMware ESXi 6.5 or above host imported into the vCenter. Make sure your host have 16 vCPU, 64 GB of RAM and 550 GB of storage to deploy Nexus Dashboard Fabric Controller with the app profile. Or make sure your host have 32 vCPU, 128 GB of RAM and 3 TB of storage to deploy Nexus Dashboard Fabric Controller with the data profile. Log into the vCenter server. Click on Host and Cluster and choose the host on which the OVA template would be deployed. Right-click the selected host and select Deploy OVA Template. Click on Local File and the Upload Files. Locate the OVA file on your computer and click Open. Click Next to continue. Specify the name and location for the Cisco Nexus Dashboard OVA. Click Next. Choose the resources in which you want to run the deployed template. In this video, we have already chosen the resource when we selected the host. Click Next. Click Next. We are going to deploy the data profile for this Nexus dashboard. Click on Next. Select the data store where you want to store the configuration files. Click on Next. Nexus dashboard has two interfaces, one for management and one for fabric or data. Click on Next. Enter a valid password. Enter a valid management IP and net mask. Also enter the gateway. Click on Next. Review the configuration and click on Finish to start the OVA deployment. Power on the VM. You can open the VM console and look for the progress. Wait for the system to get initialized successfully. Once you see the message saying System UI is online, you can open the GUI by pointing to the Nexus Dashboard Management IP and continue the remaining installation steps from there. Use the password that you gave while deploying the OVA and click on Login. Enter a valid cluster name. Provide the DNS IP address. Also provide the NTP host IP address. You can skip the proxy for now. Confirm it and click on Next. Next, we need to provide the node details, more specifically the data network IP details. Here you can give the data interface details. And click on Save. Click on Next. Nexus Dashboard Release 3.1.1 provides a unified install feature which allows the user to select the service or application while installing Nexus Dashboard itself. In this video, I am going to install Nexus Dashboard Fabric Controller for SAN deployments. So select Fabric Controller Next, we need to provide the persistent service IPs. For NDFC for SAN controller, we need to provide 3 IP addresses under the data service IP pool. Click on Save, click on Next. Review all the configurations that you have made till now and click on Save. Click on Continue. You might need to relog in to Nexus Dashboard. To see the installation progress, go to Manage and Software Management. You can see that the services are getting installed. Please wait. You can now see that Nexus Dashboard 3.1.1 installation is now complete. To see the status of NDFC installation, click on Analyze and Service Status. Here you can see Fabric Controller deployment status is also completed. Next, click on Admin Console and select Fabric Controller from the drop-down. Now we need to select the correct personality of NDFC. Click on Go under Service Setup. Select SAN Controller and select Cisco as the OEM vendor. Now we need to select the SAN related features. And click on Next. Review the summary and click on Submit. Click on Back to Journey. Please wait for a message which asks you to reload the page. Now you can see all the options and features on the left hand side pane related to SAN. To summarize, in this video, we saw the unified deployment of Nexus Dashboard 3.1.1k along with Nexus Dashboard Fabric Controller. We also saw how to configure the persistent IP addresses. After that, we saw how to select the SAN controller personality in NDFC and how to select the SAN related sub features. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thank you.